Today, we explore the word answer. It's a powerful word you use every day. Let's see why knowing it well helps you communicate clearly. Answer means a response to a question or problem. It is what you say or write when someone asks you something. A common mistake is confusing answer with question. Remember, the question asks, and the answer responds. We say give an answer, answer a question, answer the phone, and answer correctly. These are common ways to use answer. She gave the correct answer. Please answer the phone. I don't know the answer to that. He answered all the questions quickly. A student was nervous during her test. She remembered the lessons and gave the right answers. She felt proud and happy. Think of answer as a key that unlocks a question's door. The answer lets you understand what was asked. Remember, an answer is a response. Try giving answers in your next conversation. See you next time.